How to turn off sound effects on Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it off. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, we can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the right top, we'll be able to see this settings icon. Tap on settings. So here we are in this settings interface. On the first option, simply press preferences. So this is the place where you can turn off sound effects. Here there are different animations and other messages option too. Now simply tap on it, and as you can see, it has been turned off. So there are times when there are different sound effects that might be irritating for you, so it's according to the user preference. Now you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.